Everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So many students were having the confusion of how or like this time we got the result in category 1, category 2 and category 3 for the June 2024 examination. So category 1 and category 2 was very much clear to everyone, but those students who were not able to qualify in category 1 or 2, there was a confusion whether did they qualify in the category 3 because initially CSIR ने हमें कोई स्पेसिफिक कट ऑफ नहीं दिया था कि कैटेगरी 3 में कौन से स्टूडेंट्स एलिजिबल हैं, राइट. बट नाउ दे हैव अपडेटेड द कैटेगरी 3 कट ऑफ. सो according to the latest notification that they have given up, so for the unreserved category the cutoff is 93.2. अगर आपका 93.2 या उससे ज़्यादा आपका परसेंटाइल है, then you're eligible for your results or you're eligible for the category 3 in the June 2024 examination. Now what is category 3 all about? Category 3 is the admission into the PhD without JRF or LS. Okay, इफ़ यू रिमेंबर रिसेंटली CSIR ने लेटेस्ट पेपर के अंदर ये इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाला था कि अब से हर यूनिवर्सिटी इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग सेपरेट PhD एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशंस वो कैटेगरी मतलब CSIR के एग्ज़ाम रिजल्ट्स के बेसिस पर ही आप अपना एग्जामिनेशन देंगे और आप PhD में इनरोल हो सकते हैं बेस्ड अपॉन इनटू डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़. नाउ इस बार स्टूडेंट्स को काफ़ी कन्फ्यूजन था कि रिज़ल्ट किस टाइप से आएगा. सो इस बार जो रिजल्ट है उसमें कैटेगरी 1 कैटेगरी 2 वॉज वेरी मच क्लियर फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट डे. जो कैटेगरी 3 थी उसके अंदर 93.2 for the unreserved category, specifically the general OBC and the EWS, और जो ST SC और TG कैटेगरी थी, इन तीनों कैटेगरीज के लिए 83.3 कट ऑफ जो था दैट इज़ द क्राइटेरिया. सो अगर आपका इस परसेंटाइल के अंदर रेंज कर रहा है देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द PhD एडमिशंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट पेपर. ओके, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये कन्फ्यूजन था दैट मैम वी आर स्कोरिंग 90 बट हमारा क्यों नहीं है, व्हाट इज़ द बेंच मार्क. सो इसीलिए CSIR ने इस चीज़ को बहुत प्रॉपरली क्लियर अप किया है. आई विल सेंड दैट पर्टिकुलर exact notification on my Telegram channel as well. You can check that out on that. So उसमें clearly mention है, like I can read that out as well. For the life sciences, the benchmark percentile cutoff is given below, in which for your unreserved category it is 93.2705046 and for SC, ST and TG it is your 83.31. Okay, so remember about this particular thing and I hope now your confusion is properly clear and you have got the idea ki whether you have qualified for the third category or not. And I think now for the further all the categories CSI or for further all the examinations CSIR is going to follow up with the same category 1 category 2 and category 3 results. So अगर हम इस पूरे एग्ज़ाम को एनालाइज करें अब, नाउ द एग्जामिनेशन इज गेटिंग अ बिट टफर. In addition, the CSIR, if we can look closely, is trying to regulate that only the deserving candidates enter into the PhD thing. So make sure that you are studying accordingly hard and you are preparing for the examination accordingly in the best of your ability, right? So this is about a quick update for you all for the results. And if you're preparing for the December examination, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled in the number of courses that are running for the preparation of the December 2024, right? We have a full course, a crash course and a PYQ course ongoing. We have just 1 month or 1.5 month at max left for the results. So prepare accordingly and whatever doubt you face, whatever problem you face, make sure that you work upon them. And अगर आपका previous attempt में नहीं हुआ, so look into what mistakes you did, look into what was the problem that was there and not just sitting and thinking and regretting about it. It's better that you should start all and over again, right? So this is just an update for you all about the third category cutoff. So prepare accordingly and we have a free live session also running on our YouTube channel, and we are starting it on our application as well. So you can join in the free classes also. It will help you out in preparing for some specific topics. And if you feel like that you need a structured class altogether, you can download our application and get yourself like completely a structured course. You can enroll in that as well, right? So that's about for this particular video. I hope now the confusion for the third category is now clear to everyone. I hope now you have the entire clear picture in your head. So prepare accordingly, and let's meet in the free live sessions that we are uploading on daily basis. So make sure to download our application and get yourself enrolled in the PYQ course. It's going to help you out in practicing out the previous year questions and also studying them in the best of your ability, right? So that's about for this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Take care everyone, and let's meet in the other class.